Hey, this is Marc and Wanda here with Offroad Veterans. We've been talking in the group, and we thought it might be a good idea if we did a quick walk around about the rigs we're running, some accessories we've got, some of the things we like, some of the things we don't like. Ours is a 2021 Honda Talon X4. First thing we did out the gate was put 32-inch M1 Evils on the rig on stock rims. Love them, work great, excellent tire. Put 1.5-inch spacers on the back, like a lot of people do on these to even the track out. So we're running the same track now. Some other things we've done. Let me go back to the front here. Put the Super ATV light bar on there. It's okay. I'd like to do something different the next time, but it does its job. Got the Super ATV glass windshield with the manual wiper. Makes it hot inside the cab, but man, talk about protection. It definitely keeps the mud and the rain and stuff off of you. But these air vents, as they're called, totally useless. Do not work at all. Got our stickers on there to make us go faster. Infantry sticker, Wanda was an E6. She served 14 years, Iraq, Afghanistan. She's also attached with 10th Mountain for a while. I was with the 101st and a second ID in Korea. This is our first off-road veteran sticker. We've got another one in the works. Got the Honda OEM front bumper on it. You can probably get a much better one custom made, but I haven't had to test it yet, but it looks good. It's pretty sturdy. Little light bar from Harbor Freight. That's a Nova the mascot. I got a KFI 5,000 pound Assault Series winch. It works pretty good too. No problem there. Let's come right here to the side. Of course, we got a little GoPro mount and all that stuff there. Inside, let me sit down in this thing. We're running a rugged radio, 25 watt GMRS radio. It's a IP67 waterproof rated. There's not many on the market. This one was a little expensive. All their stuff's a little expensive, rugged radios is, but it works good. It really reaches out there. We're happy with it. On the dash, let's see. I got our little Talon plate, Talon cup holder there. I went a little bit overboard on the word Talon. Got controls for our, let me get my finger out of the way. We got two tornado fans for coolness here. Let me turn one up on here. Got that one there, and this one over here. And they're movable, adjustable. And I tell you what, they put out there. They definitely keep the windshield. Keep the windshield defrosted when you hit them mud puddles and that hot water hits them radiator lines there in the tunnel. Keeps it defrosted, which we also took measures there. I took a piece of rubber. I didn't have the Jeep CJ7 shift boot to put on the bottom of the shift kit here, like is what a lot of people are doing. I just took a piece of rubber and made a slit in it, and it seems to work okay. I also took that reflective tape, insulating tape, and took the tunnel off and filled it full of insulated tape all the way through it, especially around the cup holder areas and stuff here. Try to keep our drinks and stuff cool. Of course, we got our switches and stuff for radio, light, winch, and stuff like that. Let me go to the back. If I can get out of this thing. In the back, we're running a Boss Radio BRT Soundbar, which we don't like it. I'm not, for the money, it wasn't worth it. It was like $450, way too much for what it is. But at the time, that's all we could get. That's all we could afford, so it's okay. It does all right. Of course, we got our bag of accessories and tools and stuff. And I got another tool bag down here in the floorboard. What else we carry? We carry two little tripod stools. So when you're out in the trail and you're waiting on the Polaris or the Can-Am to change their belts, you can, sit in your little stool there. I'm just kidding, guys, just kidding. Carry a machete. In the back here, we got our little fatty whips we got from James ATV and Cycle at Grayson, Kentucky. Like them, I like them. Got our Second Amendment flag there. This is the ghost antenna for the rugged radio. Pretty nice. I was leery about it. You know, it's just so stubby, like, and it's not going to reach out. It does. We've talked a mile and a half, 2 miles before on it. Works really good, really good. Like I said, no changes to the engine, stock, exhaust. Running a Kenai cooler. Wanda found it online. She wanted a Honda Red, something close to Honda Red, and this is all we could find. It's made by Grizzly Coolers, so it's been really good. I'm really impressed with it, man. I really am. And we mount it with just these little friction turnbuckle things made for boats. Keep your cool stuff tied down on boats, and I've been running it for almost a year now and have no issues out of it. Never come loose once. So look at that, just a cheap little backup light there. I love the original Off-Road Veterans stickers. That's a pain in the ass to put on, but looks pretty good on there. Oh yeah, running a K&N main filter and a uni filter, pre-filter inside of it. I'll do another video on that. I'll take it off and show all that. But yeah, the main filter gets dirty within 500 miles. I mean, it was filthy. So I did my research and I'm kind of overboard with the K&N filter, but the unit filter, pre-filter, I highly recommend that. It saved the dust from getting on that filter like you wouldn't believe. It's washable. Take it off, wash it, put it back on there. I noticed no loss in performance. The engine, it runs just fine, so don't let anybody tell you don't do that. It's going to choke your engine. It will not. It will not. I do only run the inner part of the unit filter. I don't run the outer part. Nova, can you stop that? Oh. Run the Honda OEM rear bumper. I'm thinking that's about it for this ride. We've got another ride. Actually, the first side-by-side we bought. I'm going to do a video on it next. But hope you guys like this. Kind of let you know what we're running, and let us know what you're running. All right, Mark out.